Welcome to e-learning online course on designing e-resources. Introduction to H5P. H5P is a free and open source content collaboration framework based on JavaScript. H5P is an abbreviation for HTML5 package and aims to make it easy for everyone to create, share, and reuse interactive HTML5 content. H5P enables existing content management systems and learning management systems to create richer content. With H5P, authors may create and edit interactive videos, presentations, games, advertisements, and many more. Content may be imported or exported. In this video, you will learn how to open user account in h5p.org and how to explore the contents in h5p.org. For that, I have opened h5p.org in my web browser. So let's go there. This is the home page of h5p.org. Here you can see examples and downloads, documentation, goals, forum, login, create free account. If you have already created account in H5P, then you can directly log in from here. Otherwise, the first time users have to create account in H5P. So click create free account. Here you put the username. Spaces are allowed in username, but punctuation is not allowed. Give a valid email address. Because a link will be sent to your email address, you are to click that link to activate your account in H5P. Put the password here, confirm password. You can give a description to other users. You can get monthly updates by clicking subscribe. Then you are to answer a question. This question is for testing whether you are a human visitor. What do you get if you add 2 and 4? You simply have to write 6 and then click create new account. Again, put the username here. Spaces are allowed in username, but punctuation is not allowed. Give a valid email address. Put password, confirm password, and you have to answer this question. It is mandatory, and then click create new account. So once you have clicked create new account, then you are to open the email ID that you have given here. And there a link will be received by you. You have to click that link to activate your account. I have already created my account in H5P, so I'll click login. I'll put the email address. Password, then click login. This page is displayed. Click contents. So whatever contents are prepared by you are displayed in this page. These are the contents being prepared by me. If you wish to see what contents can be prepared using H5P, for that you click create new content. You can create interactive content using H5P, and the contents that can be prepared are course presentation, multiple choice, fill in the blanks, column, image hotspots, accordion, flashcards, and so on. You can create worksheets here and give link to students. They can attempt worksheets online. These are all interactive worksheets. In our next lessons, we will explore 1 or 2 contents of these types. Now, if you wish to see the details of any of these contents, click it. You will find here a tutorial is given and it is also supported by an example. So you can explore this also. There is another website that is h5p.com. It is a paid website, but you can sign up for 30 days free trial. Otherwise, you have to pay for enjoying the services of h5p.com. Now, what is the advantage of this h5p.com? If you have any of the learning management systems like Moodle, Canvas, Drupal, then you can host h5p.com with that, and you can give these interactive worksheets to students. Those who are enrolled in the course of your learning management system will automatically get worksheets along with the lessons, and they will attempt them. The marks will get recorded automatically, but in h5p.org, which is a free service, the interactive worksheets made here can be used only for practice. And the interactive worksheets which are made using h5p.com, which is a paid website, you can connect worksheets with learning management system like Moodle, Canvas, Drupal, etc. and students' marks will be documented automatically.